I love good tea. With something tasty. What? How did the dolls get in here? I'll have some fruit. Hey, what's going on? I'd better water my plants. What? A doll? Here, too? Okay, I just need to read something to calm down.
Susie, did you scream? I'll save you. Where's the offender? You found my doll?
A lot of them, actually. What are you dolls doing in our refrigerator?
I was just playing and sent them on an expedition to the North Pole.
Why don't we diversify your games in a more compact way,
Wow, and you Playbook? Cool!
Hi all! Look at this awesome Playbook! And I just love these cool stickers. This one is...
Simply wonderful! Yeah! Come on, let's play already!
Okay. Alright, everyone. Meet Jess, a resident of Paper City. And this is her bedroom. Here we have a spacious closet, a soft rug, and a cozy armchair.
Whoa! There are so many cats here! It is just awesome!
And one of them is going to wake up his owner. Meow! It is time to get up. Good morning.
Jess's phone. Yes? Okay. You are meeting with your friends at the cafe in half an hour.
Oh, we must hurry. First on the to-do list is changing out of your pajamas. Nope, not this either. Let's stick to this one. Jess will have her breakfast at the cafe, and her pet will have it right now.
The flower needs some food too. I mean, water. Up.
Don't forget to take your camera. This way you will capture your meeting with friends. In the meantime, at the other end of Paper City, Lucy was getting ready for school.
It looks like she's trying to hint our viewers on giving us their likes.
Sammy, move over. Lucy really needs to finish her creative essay. That's why pink slimes are the best. And print out. The homework is ready. Now let's grab something tasty.
There's nothing better than a cup of cappuccino to start the day. Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay, let's see what we have in the fridge. Greens, fruit, and the cherry muffin. Great! Let's warm it up a little. What a smell! It's the most delicious breakfast.
Margot! Hey, sis! The breakfast is on the table.
I wonder where Margot is. Oh, wow! Look at this beauty. Oh, wait. I'm not ready yet. I need a makeup. Hop. Let's pick up the necessary accessories. After all, even at school you can look fabulous. Here I go. Bye-bye, cute plush bunny. What took you so long? We are going to be late for school. Oh, you're always nagging at me. Uh-oh. It seems the lesson has already begun. Mr. V may not let us in. Oh, I'm gonna give an F to the latecomers. But something can save the girls from the punishment. A delicious apple. Great!
Hey, as a headmaster, I can also punish you. Being late is a violation. Oh, that's better.
Well, Lucy and Margot gnaw at the granite of science. Let's see what Megan is up to. Wow, she seems to be into surfing. And apparently she generally loves to be on the beach. There is so many evidence to that in here.
Oh, I want the same sunbathing area on our balcony. But where is Megan?
Oh, you're right. She should have been somewhere here. Let's see. Well, of course. The water lover starts her day with a bubble bath.
Let's give her some time. And you friends give a thumbs up to our Playbook.
Here you go. We'll dry your hair. Wanna look in the mirror? Oh no! The cafe where Megan works opens in 5 minutes. Run! I can't be late. Faster! Oh, Sammy, thanks for covering for me.
No problem. By the way, your friend is already waiting for you.
But the girls haven't been able to chat. There's a new visitor in the cafe. Looks like Mr. V decided to pop in for a milkshake. Margot and Lucy are here too. While one found a place to sit down, the other one went to grab her favorite ice cream.
2 green teas, just a sec. A pineapple smoothie, coming right up.
Well, this is it. Our playbook has run out of pages.
Would you like to see how we made it? Then stay tuned!
The first thing we need for our craft is a notebook.
Here it is!
Of the right size.
Here you are!
Thank you! It should have blank pages without any lines or signs of a creative crisis.
Crisis, you say? How about that, Susan? Whoosh!
Wow! That was fast, Sammy! And what a view we have here! Although, in order to appreciate it in full, we'd better add colors to it. Now the window frame. Ah, now we're talking.
We will be talking when we're done with the floor and the walls. Huh.
Hold it, Sammy.
What? Am I doing it wrong?
It's faster with this.
Ah, that's more like it. Hop, hop, hop.
Wow, it turned out very stylish. Am I right? Now we can arrange the furniture. As you remember, this is the cat lover's room. A plush kitty should defo be here, just as well as a real grumpy cat on a soft bedding.
Susie, I dug up a garland. Can you help hanging it?
Oh, of course. Look, there's even a cat's paw print on the flower pot.
In addition to cats, the owner of this room is fond of photography.
Say cheese, Sammy. The next spread of our playbook is dedicated to 1,000,000 likes. I mean hearts.
So, what's with this weird donuts?
Sammy, not every donut is edible. These, for example, are large pillows. Well, or small armchairs.
A bed under the ceiling? You'd better not toss and turn in sleep. Oh, I'm fine. Ouch! Sue, something pricks my back. Oh!
The love tree didn't get hurt when you landed on it. Let's speed up with the rest of the furniture. And we're done.
What a wonderful bedroom. Let me just rearrange the...
What's the matter?
Oh, don't worry, Sue. I brought a flashlight. Let's just find the switch.
Wait. Look at all this mess.
Oh no! What happened to my beautiful bedroom? Sue, hurry! And I'll bring Margot to her senses.
Oh, we need to put everything in its place. This will be here, and this here. Uh-huh.
So, are you done? Can we see it already?
Let me just put this over here. Uh-huh. Yes, you can.
Well, it looks just wonderful. And the owner of this room is happy. It is very important.
Hail, Tibidaba. And I need a break. All right, let's finish with all the residential rooms. Wow, thank you, Megan. Someone can't wait to move into their colorful room.
These I'm dealing with the floor. Let it be pink like me.
Well, pink it is.
It tickles. It was cool. I mean, no respect for slimes. What's happening?
And we're done. High five, girlfriend. Well, we did it rather fast.
All right, Susan, that's it. I insist that you let me do this location.
But you already started.
And now goes the sink, chairs, table, refrigerator.
Looks just great. Stylish, comfortable, no more, no less. Sammy, how are you?
I just need a little break.
Well, okay. I can handle the bathroom myself. I have an ace up my sleeve. Ducky, can you do something for me? Hop. Well, thank you.
What? Oh no, my ducky, my favorite ducky.
Quack, no ducks were harmed during the filming of this episode. Quack, Sue prepared all the essentials for the bathroom. The bath itself, the washing machine, the toilet, of course. And the craft was almost finished when suddenly, out of the blue...
Achoo! Achoo! Oh, Sue, there's something wrong with me. It tickles in my nose. Achoo! Achoo!
Poor Sammy. Please sneeze into a hanky so you don't infect anyone.
Well, what did you draw here? Oh, that's better.
I don't know what kind of cold you have, but it is clearly useful for our craft.
Well, I was glad to help. Achoo! Oh.
Well, friends, we're at the finish line. Only one location left, and it seems Sammy managed to decorate it too.
Hey, Sue! It's gone, finally! I guess I just had an allergy to the location school.
Sammy, there is no such thing as allergy to school. And those who think that they still have it will not get any ice cream.
No, I was just kidding. I'd like a strawberry one, please.
Fine.
My favorite.
Well, we're done. How'd you like our paper town? You can always repeat our craft or come up with your own, with unique characters and locations.
And we still have a lot of crafts ahead. In the meantime, check out this one.
I don't wanna go to school today.